go Mets! Let's go Mets! Welcome to opening day 2019. Also, New Year's Day, one of the greatest days of the year. And to celebrate my 92 Met win prediction, we're going to show you how to make hot dog onions for your hot dogs today for the ball game. We got a lot of sponsors here today. We're going to use Sabrett dogs, got our red onion. These are all the things you're going to need. The best beer that I've had recently, Knott Hill Brewery, Super Mantis. You need some for the onions, and of course you need it to drink. Heinz ketchup. You need a little Frank's, because you put that on everything. A little Golden's mustard. A little sriracha. Of course you gotta have your Met gear. You need a knife and a spoon. There's no recipe. No recipe. We're just gonna sort of wing. The next step is, at least for me, you gotta open your beer. So again, this is the Knott Hill Super Mantis from an amazing brewery right here in Ridgefield, Connecticut. Right? So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta chop up your onions. I'm gonna do that real quick. Fry them up. So stay tuned, I'm gonna cut everything. You don't have to watch me cut the stuff. So then we'll be right back. Onions, red onion. Notice how they're cut kind of long. Right? You want them kind of long so they go on the hot dog. Alright, on the pan behind me, we've got about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. So the onions are going in the pan. Crank that up. We also got some yellow onion. We're going to use about half that yellow onion. Throw that in there. You need a spoon or something to stir. So you got that cranking on the stove. That's going to take about, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Want to cook them down. Not too hard, not too soft. You'll know when they're right, just the way you like them. Okay, the onions have been cooking about 3 or 4 minutes. It's time to kick it up. And I'm not going to say a notch, because that's emerald. So, let's hit it with some Franks. Bam, 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 boom! Let's hit it with some sriracha. You gotta hit it with a little more ketchup. More than the hot sauce and the sriracha. So, I don't know, 2 onions, 3 large squeezes. Then you gotta hit it with some mustard. I like to move it. No. I like golden spicy brown. Then you stir it. That's why you needed the spoon. You were wondering. Give that a good stir. I don't know, I'm going crazy today. More Franks. All right, the onions are getting soft. The flavors are all in there. Look at that. That is like, one day they'll have, you can smell things through your phone. That's just not today. Last, we're gonna pour in, I don't know, 1/4 cup of the beer. That gives a little liquid, right? And then you just cook that down a minute or 2. And then we come back, we're gonna put it all together on a hot dog. And we're gonna put it in our pie holes. Sorry, Matt, I had to get that in. It's gonna be delicious. And it's 12 o'clock. It's 1 hour from first pitch. We're back. Did I mention how good the beer is? Super Mantis Double India Pale Ale. Dry hopped with Citra and Galaxy hops. Ultra filtered and pasteurized. Okay, we're ready to make a hot dog. The onions are cooked. We lightly toasted a Nathan's hot dog bun. If you don't know how to make toast, there was a video for that. We're also pan grilling a hot dog. Please don't ever boil a hot dog. Put it on a barbecue, pan fry it, put it in your broiler. Boil the hot dog. Bad. Hot dog on the bun. Golden's on the hot dog. You see this? Get some of those onions right on there. Plate it. Wavy chips. hot dog, chips, Super Mantis, Mets, baseball, opening day. This is gonna be good. I think I hit it out of the park. And you can too. Very easy to make these onions. Put them on your sausage, put them on your hamburger, just put them on a roll. Put them on your eggs. Over and out. Oh, got a lot of friends who are Yankee fans. I hope they do okay. A couple of Rockies fans out there in Colorado. Go Rockies, I could care less. Dodgers, Phillies, cheesesteaks, their pitching stinks. And a crybaby on the outfield. Not gonna happen, folks. Let's go Mets.